my finished project using the paper line Authentique Lovestruck, and it was really a challenge for me because I am not used to use these color combinations, but it was a really fun time doing it. So I hope I managed, and I hope I will give it that I give it my touch of view with using papers. And so let's get into, and I made a how you call it, explosion box. Yes, I made for the first time ever an explosion box. So this, let me zoom out a little. Oh, this way a little, not too much. So this is the top, as you can see. And then we go to the side, and I used a little ATC card on it, and on this side I used a sticker. I am obsessed with you in a non-creepy way. Okay, I really love this girl. It's really vintage. And here again I used a vintage ATC card. Never mind, love, I'd rather fall in chocolate. Oh my gosh, I will too. And on this, tell me I'm pretty and buy me chocolate. What's with the chocolate? Okay, and on the bottom I used the same one as on the side, and at the top also. So yeah, this is it, and my explosion box. So let's get inside, and I think I will move this a little further. Yeah, so when you put this out of the way, then ta-da! Okay. Oh, and then inside I used a little sticker also. Isn't this cute? Isn't this cute? I really like it. So put the lid away, and then we got this. And lots of fun things to watch. But first we go to the inside, and here I also used a little sticker, and it says, you make my heart skip a beat. Okay, cool. So let's get into how will I do it. I think first I think each section I will go through with you. Let's zoom in a little. Yeah, this is quite enough. So on the first page I made an extendable pocket, and in here I made 3 cards, and on the back nothing. So this goes in here, so it's just a little fun tag. And on the back I leave it plain, so you can put your photo on. Then on this page I made just a simple pocket with a very nice little vintage tag. And then this flips below, and here I used the green blue one. And on here I used a envelope pocket, and this opens up like this. And in here I made a card, and I used a sticker on it. And on the back it's plain, so you can write on. Easy. There we go. And then this closes. Not so handy with my long nails. But, hello. Yeah, here we go. I really have 2 long nails. I know. It's almost time to get me a new one. Okay, and then this flips to this side, and here I used the beautiful lace and just a simple piece of paper, so it will be pretty much easy going, not too busy. And on this page I made a belly band with a seam binding and a little stopper from a sticker. And in here I made a little booklet, and I decorated with nice wet paper. And then this flips open to this side, and I made 2 little photo frames on this side. And in here a little pockets with a nice tag in this gorgeous pearly pink cardstock. Then this goes below, and on here I used again a simple page and a little sticker. Let's see if I go in. Let me see, yeah, look at this, so nice. And then on the last page I made a zigzag pocket, and on the front I made a little booklet that opens like this. So two sides I leave it plain so you can put a nice picture on, and on the front I used a sticker. Or no, I used the little card from the 6x6 paper pad. And then in here I used a die. Oh, let me see, yeah, here is it. I used a die from Crealis.nl. It's the Crea Nestlease XXL labels and tags, and it's the number CLLT11. Yeah, and I used the biggest one, and then the one inside of this one. Okay, so really nice die. And then this is in the middle, and on the last I make a larger tag with some seam binding and a sticker on, and on the back plain. Okay, that's the first section. Let's go to this side, and they're not all the same. This one is also a little expandable pocket with 3 little tags in. I want to show you, they are so adorable. One larger one I used this nice picture, and this one, and I put some boîtes in, but did not go very well, but it goes okay for now. Then this goes down, and in here a nice pocket, and this goes down. Oh, and here this is a magnetic closure, and then this goes around, this goes to the side. It's a little swing tag, and it says 100 hearts would be too few to carry, all my love for you. Adorable. Then this opens up and it folds out. I hope you can see it. And I did my decoration on the paper, so you can put photos in, of course, especially on the squares. It's really like love it. This was my first time to give this a fold. Then this flips down again, the wet one with the lace. And then this opens to the right and to the left, and in here I made a little pocket. Betty about you. Cool. Really fun pictures. And again a nice little sticker and an ATC car. Here I am, what are your other 2 wishes? Okay, then this flips down, and again I made a simple piece page, and again a zigzag tag with a little booklet, and on the back I am yours, and again a nice tag and a larger tag at the back. Okay. Let's go to the third one. Okay, at the front again 3 little tags, perfect for nice little pictures or little notes. Okay, then this flips down again, a nice easy tag in it with this one I used, and it was from a AK punch, yeah it was. And then I decorated the page on this side. Then again an envelope pocket with a nice tag in. This really goes not very well. Good Lord. Yeah, here we go. Okay, and again on this side the same page with the lace. I really love this lace. And then we have another seam binding belly band and a stopper from the sticker and a little booklet, and I match it with the sticker, the stopper. Oh, and then this opens up, and again I made 2 little photo mats, and in here a nice little pocket. Hug me. There you go. And then for the last zigzag page, a nice little booklet and a nice little tag and a bigger tag. My favorite person ever. Cool. Really, the stickers makes it really nice to use. And for the last section, okay, again the little pockets, the extendable pocket with the eeny meeny tags in it. I really like them a lot. And then again a simple tag using the same tags, and here you can write, oh here you can put a nice photo in, and here you write a name on if you like. And then here again a swing tab. You are at the top of my favorite list. And then this again opens up like this, and I put some decoration paper on, and this also closed magnetic, but I thought it was be an extra way to give this a magnetic closure too. And then flip this to the below, and again my use the lace from Tammy, and this goes to the right and this goes to the left, and in here a pocket. Look at this, so cute, so cute. And then this closes. Use the ATC card from the paper again, and another zigzag tag with a little booklet. Look at this, really cute, so lovable. I think you are swell. Cool. And another tag and a bigger tag. Love to love. Cool. Okay, so lots of place where you can put little photos in or little presents. Perhaps if you are using this for a gift, you can put a nice little bonbon in it, or yeah, you can put a nice little present in here. Not too big, but you can put something in here. So yeah, this was it, and I really had fun making it. And so yeah, I hope you liked it. So let's put this together again. So and you can see it's really chunky. It really is. Look at this. It's very, very chunky. So, but I love it. Nope, this is the easiest way to do it. Yep, there it is. Everything put together. So yeah, okay, like I said, it was my first time making an explosion box ever, and I really had fun. And my problem is making the pages really too thick. Okay, that's my big issue, but I really think this is adorable how it turns out. So I hope you liked it too. I hope you will follow my tutorial. All papers I used you can find on oh my gosh countrycraftcreations.com, of course. And it's late, so I have to go to sleep, thinking. So yeah, you can find it. I leave the link below, so you can find the store easy. And yeah, I wish you all the best and hope you liked it. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you not do it already, and I see you next time with the tutorial. So hope you join me. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.